Installing.
Found new hardware. This is brand new. What CD is this, Anthony?
Oh. Make a song out of this sound, like my CD.
Imagine this is the CD. Yeah.
Love this song. Feel the breeze. What else we put in here? Do you have tape?
Double stick tape.
Where?
Clock.
Ooh, this is big tape.
Oh.
Double stick tape.
Oh, baby.
It's not sticky on that side.
That's what the chips are for. You gotta peel the thing off.
You gotta stick that to the chip.
Wait, don't. No, it's too thick, I think. No, just let it flat and we'll stick the chip to it.
It's not sticky on that side.
Gotta peel the tape, but peel the paper off.
It's not sticky
You
on
didn't
that
peel the
side.
paper off. Oh my god.
Dumbass.
Oh, yeah.
It was a dinner. It was a fiesta now. Look at it.
Potato chip crumbs everywhere.
Oh, I wonder why.
Potato chip.
Alright, let's put some chips on there.
It's like the clothes.
Got the candy shell.
Shooting out.
I don't hear anything. Let's open this bad boy. I think we need some more.
It's auto-playing.
It's finding it.
You can get chips.
I don't even think I did that.
Is this drive D?
No, I don't know. You have U2 on there though. It is.
I drive E, that's nice. Look at the chips with that.